In today's video, I'll show you how to split text into two columns in Word. Let's say there's a part of your Word document where you want to split the text into two columns. To do this, go to the top and click on Insert, then click on Table. Insert a 2 by 1 table. Of course, you could make more columns if you wanted to, but I just want two, so we'll stick on it. With the table selected, make sure Table Design is selected. Come over to the right to Borders, then select No Border. Do the same thing for other side. Before you start typing, click on Layout at the top. Click on Auto Fit and select Fix Column Width. Now start typing. It will then start going down, and you can click on the other side and start typing just like so. Of course, you can also change the font, text size, and all that stuff. It depends on your preference, how you want to style it or design it. And there you go. You have now split two columns of text in Word. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.